welcome to Durga Durairajan. I'm Durga speaking. So now it's my cooking time. So for cooking, we are going to see how to do a tasty and yummy Vanjaram fish fry. Come on. So we have took 5 fishes, and then for that we are adding 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder in it. And then we are adding half teaspoon of salt, and then again half teaspoon of fennel powder, and then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Look, and then after adding them, we are going to squeeze some lemon juice in it, and then finally we are adding some water in it, and then just mix it a bit, and then again we are adding some more water in it. Now mix it well, and then after mixing it, you have to mix it with the fish. After you applied it all over the fishes, leave it aside for half an hour. So now let's see how after half an hour. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil in it and in the pan, and when it is heated, add the fishes in it. Look, and after adding it, now let's fry it. Look, I have shown you in the fast mode. Look, we have fried. So now our tasty and yummy Vanjaram fish fry is ready to serve.
Hi Kim. Bam. So finally we are up with the tasty and yummy Vanjaram fish fry. Come on, let's taste it. Yeah. Have it. That's so yummy. From here, you just can see, but you cannot eat like up. So you also have to try it in your home. So usually in our channel, at last we would share some message with you. Like that, in the previous video we saw about our national anthem, and now we are going to see about the Japanese national anthem. Do you know it's Japanese national anthem was the ancient national anthem in the world, and then it has only 4 lines, and it is a remembrance of the 9th century. So I hope you enjoyed this new message.
So finally, thanks for watching, and there is our channel logo. Click and subscribe to our channel. 2 more videos are waiting for you. Click and enjoy. Bye. See you in the next episode.